Hi there. We've parked up at what we think is called Degibna, which is a National Trust car park, because we want to walk down to a creek which is called the Loe. And we're just trying to find out where we're supposed to be going.
Yeah.
Down here?
So you've caught up with us, we're dead slow.
Yeah, we're really slow.
You've done it before, haven't you?
Which way are you going?
Well, I think you can walk round, can't you?
You can.
So we've just been helped by a kind gentleman walking his dog. We now know where we're going, don't we?
Yeah. Wait.
So we're going to go and walk.
Yeah. I'll show you the map.
Show you the map.
You see the map?
Yeah, I think we're going to do it on the map.
Yeah.
So we're going to do
Around
that bit and up there.
Loe Bar, is it?
Low.
And
yeah.
the creeks going
Yeah.
to Loe.
Let's see.
You might be able to see it from that headland.
I would have thought so. You can just catch glimpses through the trees at the moment. It's a nice walk because it's in the shade and it's a hot day.
It's a very hot day.
So we're benefiting from a bit of breeze and a bit of shade. The car park here was nice and quiet.
Yes, it was.
Another National Trust one, but no car machine or anything. Just park up,
Yeah.
come down the farm track, and this is where you start the walk.
It skirts the creek all the way around the headland, I think. So we should be able to see the actual sandbar at the end. And obviously this is the start of the creek here. Oh, keep the water on all right.
Yep, keep water on the right, we'll be fine.
A little boating house there, isn't it?
Yep, and a big house at the back. This is lovely.
It's lovely, isn't it? It's a really big house there, look. There's people walking
Soon
that way as well.
there's paths either side. Just depends which side of the water you're on.
All the way.
All the way around. Good find, Kaza. So we think we've spotted the sandbar. Just over there. Pretty impressive, isn't it? Coming out of the wood now so we can see the sandbar and listen to the jet fighters going over.
Yeah. I think he's cruising. Although we are looking into the sun.
Yeah.
Second time round. Go down there and have a look.
Where we are now, just down from Helston and HMS Culdrose, so I think these are all fighter jets from that base. Quite two dogs.
Frying pan, that's it. Take that.
Not at all. It already looks intriguing, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Just the way you come to it.
Like a lot of these places in Cornwall, car park on the outskirts.
Yeah, so you can't get in otherwise.
That was the road we would have come down, which I thought might have been a bit.
Yes, that looks even more steep than the one we came down. Yeah. New thatch going on. It's always amazing how they manage to squeeze houses into the most inaccessible places. Mm.
Tin church gas.
That's a church. Yeah.
It's a bit like the one in
Grit.
Grit, yeah. I'll stand in the doorway so I can. Have you seen the bell up there?
Oh yeah.
It needs a bit of TLC, doesn't it?
Nothing new particularly.
No, you're okay. Yeah, thank you.
Corrugated iron, it needs a lot of upkeep, I think.
Yeah.
Yep. So it's free range poultry roaming.
Isn't that lovely?
Yeah. That's quite a big house.
Yeah.
There's that work on that thatch.
Yeah. I'd love to be able to.
It's a definite skill, a craft, handed down by generations. Shades of Clovelly.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Good find.
Isn't that lovely?
Yeah. Further down. In this window when you go past. It is. We've got a wagon wheel going on. This looks nice down here. Out of the village, walking up the footpath over the cliffside to see if we can find the devil's frying pan, I think it is, or saucepan, one or other, something to do with kitchen utensils. Right, where do we go now? Goes path up here, just out of the wind now, which was still 40 odd miles an hour. This is a tiny little path taking you up over the hillside. Lots of houses dotted around. Again, all this art life you tend to get on the Cornish coast because of the temperate climate. Say here, come here out of season because they don't have snow, they don't have frost. imagine it's quite idyllic. Where do you think we go? Onward.
Yeah, that goes
There's no sign for that one.
there. It doesn't really point
No. Inglewidden and Devil's Frying Pan. Interesting. Too sure. Looks like it might be. Trust. Looks good. It's already starting to look pretty impressive. It's a collapsed cave, they say. Gosh. Look at
This
that.
was a cave and it all...
All the roof's fallen in. A lot of roof fell in.